In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a Trello card as done. This is a simple yet essential task that will help you streamline your workflow and keep your Trello boards organized. Let's dive right into it. Imagine you're looking at your Trello board, filled with numerous cards representing various tasks and projects. You've just finished working on one of these tasks, and now it's time to mark it as completed. First, you'll need to hover your mouse over the specific Trello card that you want to mark as done. As you do this, you'll notice something new appear. To the left of the card's title, a small circle will come into view. This circle is your ticket to marking the task as completed. Go ahead and click that circle. Once clicked, something magical happens. The card will get marked as done. This visual indicator is really useful for quickly identifying which tasks have been completed as you glance through your board. But wait, there's a little more to do to keep your board tidy and efficient. Once the card is marked, you'll need to decide what happens next. This is where Trello's automation features come into play. Automation can help you either archive the card or move it to another list automatically. The choice between archiving and moving depends on how you like to manage your completed tasks. If archiving is your choice, once a card is done, you can set up an automation rule that archives it right away. This means it will be removed from your main view, keeping your board clean and focused only on active tasks. However, rest assured that archived cards aren't gone forever. They're merely hidden, and you can always access them from the Archive menu if needed. On the other hand, if you prefer to keep completed tasks visible for a while longer, consider automating the movement of these cards to a separate list, such as one titled Completed or Done. This way, you can easily review what you've accomplished at the end of the week or month, which can be incredibly satisfying and insightful for tracking your progress. And just like that, you're done. Marking a Trello card as completed is a straightforward process, but it's the automation step that really helps maintain clarity and order on your board. By ensuring that each completed task is either archived or moved systematically, you create an efficient workflow that keeps your projects on track and your workspace clutter-free. Remember, small steps like these in daily task management go a long way in boosting productivity and maintaining focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.